What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on natural gas prices.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we caught this movement to the downside that already brought us about 10% of potential profit. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why this movement is happening right now. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point, and by the way, we are on ticker symbol BOIL, and this is a leveraged ETF based on natural gas prices. And previously, I caught a lot of movements of this asset. You can watch the entire playlist in the description below, and you can prove my words that my forecast for this ticker symbol is more than successful. We booked already about more than 50% of potential profits. We caught only two stop losses of 6% and 6.5% in these 2 points. And right now we booked another 10% with this movement to the downside. So this is the pure evidence that you can use my technical analysis as a part of your due diligence. By the way, guys, would you be interested in joining my Patreon group? Because there I intend to make even more in-depth analysis on different assets, and I will do the analysis on demand. Definitely it will be more beneficial for you if you want to know more about technical analysis and if you want to be a successful trader. So drop me a line and hit the like button if you want to join this group. So, and what was the reason of this movement to the downside? Let me show you a couple of news. First of all, let me show you this one. Natural gas prices drops over 4% as US dollar strengthens on upbeat US data. And let me quote you just these 3 bullets. Natural gas price peaks and rolls over after the release of upbeat macroeconomic housing data from the US, which supports the US dollar waning on XNG/USD. Gas pairs earlier gains reached after Norwegian data showed lower than expected production in May, sparking supply fears. Despite bullish fundamentals, the longer-term technical trend remains bearish as long as prices stay below 3.079 MMBTU. And you might wonder, what is this magical price about? Let me show you on the price chart and let me switch to natural gas futures. And right here, on the video before my previous video, I've told you that on this price chart we are forming the triangle. And by the way, as you can see, this movement to the upside hit exactly the range of support that it had previously at $2.688. And I've told you that the invalidation of the movement to the downside of this structure will be the breakout above this range, and this is exactly the same range, $3.065 or $3.079. Let me show you in details because you can use this tool. So 3.027 or 3.02, yes, somewhere here, this is the top. And definitely this will invalidate the bear count, and most likely right after this breakout with the conviction of volume, probably we might go higher. But for now, I have to say that, and by the way, let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, according to technical analysis, we had the possibility to see a breakout above this range. As you can see, I connected these 2 tops and we formed this range of resistance. And from the bottom side, we also have this range of support. And right here with this breakout with a quite high volume, we have to hold this line as the line of support. But unfortunately, we broke it to the downside again with the conviction of volume. And this breakout was basically a false breakout. And how you could identify that we might see a rollover? How I identified it in order to make the prediction on ticker symbol BOIL. Let me show you this in details. First of all, we hit, as I already mentioned, this previous swing high, and it also acts as the range of resistance. And let me show you indicators. Right here on 3 hours time frame, we had consistently higher highs on the price section with the lower highs on the RSI. And this pattern is the bearish divergence, and it shows the potential trend reversal, the upcoming trend reversal. And it happened. And as long as you know that ticker symbol BOIL is a leveraged ETF that has higher volatility than natural gas spot prices and natural gas futures, you can assume that we might see this lower price targets. On top of that, let me show you natural gas spot prices. Right here, we also had we also hit this range of resistance. We barely broke it to the upside, but right here we also had the bearish divergence. And all of these signs showed me that potentially we might have a trend reversal. And according to the ticker symbol BOIL's price action, we could enter our short position. And congratulations to all of you who took my call. You are up, let me show you in details. You are up for more than, let me show you like this. From this point, despite this movement to the upside, that was from our entry point higher for about, let's say, 4.5%, we already up for about 9.92%. So, and what should you do next? If you are a quite conservative trader, you have basically two options. First of all, you can put your stop loss on the price point where you entered your short position, and this will allow you to be at least to break even with your trade. Or you can put it a bit lower, and this will guarantee you that you will not lose any money, but instead of this you might book, let's say, up to 5%. I don't think that we might see quite high movement to the upside from the current range in order to unload this structure to the downside. But definitely every time we have the fight in between bulls and bears, and if you want to book the entire 10% of your profits, you're free to do it. But definitely we might see the next leg to the downside. And in this case, let me adjust these two tools. Probably we have something like this. We already formed the A wave. We are witnessing this formation of the B wave that should hit some higher targets, but it shouldn't break this previous swing high. And then we have to see the next leg to the downside that will land somewhere lower. And to project it, if we are still, basically if we formed already 5-wave structure, we have to project the levels by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave, and we have to adjust this tool. And as you can see how technical this asset is, it hit exactly 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is the first level where algo trades are adding to their position. And the price target of these algo trades is right here at negative 0.236 at $3.77. It doesn't mean that we have 100% guarantee that it will hit it with the potential profit of 24.68%. But the algo trades work like this. They always use just swing low, swing high, 50% add to their position, and they have a stop loss slightly below the golden pocket range. So this means if we have the movement to the upside that will reach somewhere higher, somewhere at, let's say, $3.23 mark, then we will have the next leg to the downside. And at the most probable range of trend reversal in the golden pocket level, we might see the trend reversal and we might hit higher targets. And the price target will be still the same. And from this point, they or some traders might book up to 34% of potential profit. But we are in a downtrend, and according to my previous analysis, I think we have to break this bottom. And this means if you are quite risky trader, just put your stop loss on a safer territory and wait for the next leg to the downside. But definitely you are free to book your current profit. And definitely it is not a financial advice, it is just for educational purposes only. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.